Sunset's so pretty. It's perfect. It's so pretty. And then look, we got David over there making the fire pit. And we got sunset. Waiting for the parade. Okay. You're probably asking yourself, how the hell can you have a parade on water? It's a boat parade. It's coming real soon. Right? Right.
Christmas in July.
Christmas in July. We're excited.
New York is go. Delta, keep climbing. Based on
Happiness.
Merry Christmas. Give it a lost now. They're all watching.
Woo! Then they'll loop around and come back. Woo!
Woo! Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! They're having problems. Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Yay! Oh! What happened? Yay! Oh! You're toying with my emotions. Yay! Oh! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Woo! Catch Kyle! Yay! Thanks, guys! Woo! Christmas in July on the lagoon. Woo! Look at all of them. Yes. Merry Christmas, cutie! Merry Christmas! Hey! That's a nice one. Merry Christmas! We got an Olaf. Hold on, kids. Hold on. Check this one out. Oh, this is the party boat right here. Woo! Hey!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! We love it. It's a good one. Yay! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Hey! Merry Christmas! They love it. Well, they know it's fun. Yay! Merry Christmas!
Enjoy. Boat looks great.
Looks good. Merry Christmas!
Yeah, that's
Christmas in July on the lagoon.
Merry Christmas. Enjoy.
Merry Christmas! Yay! We got one more down there.
Oh.
Here comes the last one.
Yay.
Woo! Almost dropped my phone. Yay! Merry Christmas!
Thank you.
And that's Christmas in July, folks.